Hi everyone, it's me Fatima Nisrin. Welcome back to Ekam IAS. Today I have an important current affairs topic for you, that is Lokayukta. Before getting to the video, if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before talking about the news, let's see some important points regarding Lokayukta. One of the important point is Lokpal and Lokayukta Act of 2013. Why it is important? Because through this act, the Lokpal and Lokayukta came into force. So in brief, the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act of 2013, which is also known as the Lokpal Act, is an anti-corruption act that established Lokpal at the center and Lokayukta for states. Since they are made through a law, they are statutory bodies. And they are anti-corruption body established especially to check the corruption among the public servants. And they are created based on the recommendation of Administrative Reforms Commission under Morarji Desai. The section 63 of the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act states that every state shall establish Lokayukta at their state, and if not, they have to make within 1 year after the commencement of the act. Even though the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act came only in 2013, there were in some states the Lokayuktas were already existed. For example, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. And when the act was passed, that is in 2013, and also with the Supreme Court intervention, other states also started establishing Lokayuktas in their states. Maharashtra was the first state to establish Lokayukta among states through their Maharashtra Lokayukta and Lokayukta Act of 1971. The structure of Lokayukta is not same in all states. Every state has their own differences in their Lokayukta Act. Some states has both Lokayukta and Lokayukta. Lokayukta is just a subsect of the Lokayukta. And the states are Rajasthan, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, etc. And for some states, there exists only Lokayukta. For example, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Now, let's go back to our current affair. That is Lokayukta. Why we are discussing Lokayukta? That is because the Kerala Assembly passed the Kerala Lokayukta Amendment Bill 2022. It is a legislation that limits the power of states anti-corruption watchdog. So we know that Lokayukta is an anti-corruption bureau or an authority. So this latest amendment bill is trying to limit the power of the Lokayukta. That is what the controversy is all about. Okay, so let's look in detail regarding the news. In the original act, that is the Kerala Lokayukta Act of 1991, it requires a public servant to vacate office if it is directed by the Lokayukta. And the amendment is made to this provision. And the amendment made the Lokayukta's order not binding to the public servants unless the competent authority accepted it. Competent authority means that an authority who has the power to decide on that particular matter. So the amendment made the Lokayukta's order not binding to the competent authority. So they can either accept the order given by the Lokayukta or reject the order. And another amendment is regarding the competent authority of the Chief Minister. Earlier it was the Governor of Kerala. Now it is the Kerala Legislative Assembly is a competent authority in regarding the matters related to the Chief Minister. And in case of the Cabinet Ministers, the competent authority is the Chief Minister. And in case of the legislators, it is the Speaker of the House. And the bill exempts the political parties from the purview of the Act. The bill allows the retired judges from the High Courts to be appointed to the Lokayukta. Earlier, the judges from the Supreme Court or the Chief Justice of High Court can be part of Lokayukta. Now it is any retired judges from High Court can also be part of Lokayukta. So these are the important things that you have to keep in mind in regarding to Kerala Lokayukta Amendment Bill 2022. So now let's see the model question. It's a two-statement question. Read the question carefully and find the answer and write the answer in the comment section below. The answer, the explanation and the detailed material will be provided in our Telegram channel. The link to our Telegram channel will be provided in the description below. And finally, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.